Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hi guys, good evening, nice to meet you. I'm Nahid, a student. Today I'm describing a picture. Can you see a picture? I can see a picture. I can see this is the picture of a rural area. I can also see there is a river, but it's not a large river. It's a small river. Moreover, I can see there is a boatman who is moving the boat, and I can clearly see there is a narrow route in the river side. It seems to me that it's a mustard field. It looks like yellow, and there are some house beside the mustard field. As far as I know, there are two people. They are catching fish in the pond. Look at the picture, you can see that is the picture of rainbow in the blue sky. Especially, it looks very beautiful picture. Thanks to all.